Okay, it looks like we just pulled this out of a 3.7 liter Dodge 1500. If you can see, the spark plug is completely destroyed. Yeah, basically. It's not focusing for some reason. Anyway, it's destroyed. It's kind of hard to see there. But anyway, so I just looked down the bore scope. Got some metal shavings. Not really sure what's going on. Probably some sort of aluminum. I see aluminum shavings down inside the number 6 there, and that's obviously not number 6. I swapped the packs just to see if it was the coil pack, and yeah, unfortunately it is pretty toast. I got about 30 pounds of compression. I can't get basically anything to. I can't get the number 6 to fire at all. So that is how it goes, unfortunately. That's obviously what a new one should look like here. That's what a new one should look like, and that's what the old one that I took out looks like. I mean, it's destroyed. So I'm thinking that it could possibly be the valve seat is pressed into the head from the factory. When they assemble these, it's an aluminum head with a steel, or it's a steel valve seat, and the valve itself is steel as well. Probably treated steel. Anyway, so this is what happens when again, I believe I'm assuming it could be the valve seat. I'm not really sure. All I know is that it's got about 28 pounds of compression, almost nothing, and number 6 has a horrible misfire. It is fueling and it is sparking. So if anybody knows what's going on here, I see some scoring on the cylinder walls as well. No compression. It's not a blown head gasket because there is no milky oil. There is no. It's not blowing out the. It's not blowing through the cooling system, and it's still getting fuel. So, if anybody knows, give me a holler. Thank you.